show you my look for the day. But before we start that, you might notice some things going on behind me. We're working really hard to freshen up the store, add some new additions, and we can't wait for you guys to see the final product. But in the meantime, my look for the day. So a bit of a different way to style this skirt, a little bit more dressy, but still kept it in a casual realm. So wore it with my black pistache turtleneck. We still have a couple of these left, but also have a bunch by Look by M in the black and the gray. Threw on my leather jacket, and then star of the show today is these new Chelsea boots from Chinese Laundry. I love them because they're that great faux suede, so all winter long can wear them, no worries. And then have that little trim around the side that just brings them into a little bit more dressy. And I absolutely love them. Super comfy, that chunky sole, easy to walk in, and I've been wearing them all day and loving it. And accessories, I wore my Amato Studio earrings. So we have more of these on the way. They're really nice and lightweight and just have that slice of labradorite on them. So great to mix and match your metals with your golds and your silvers. And that is the final look.